So friends, if you have recently opened an account in IDFC First Bank and if you want to know how to activate debit card pin using this application, then this video is for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. Before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. So the very first thing you have to do is simply open IDFC First Bank application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. So either you can use fingerprint or touch ID to complete the login process, or else you can enter the MPIN and then go ahead. Now, once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. At the very top, you will be able to check out your basic account details, like you can check out your account number. If you want to check out the balance, you can simply tap on that eye icon. And if you want to add money in your bank account, you have that option as well. And there are a few more options available. Now, if you go sideways, there are multiple other options available. You can check out the credit card options available. You can also check out the loan if you have one. So yeah, there are multiple options over here on the home screen. But in order to activate debit card, you have to select accounts option over here at the bottom. And once you select that, on the next page, you get three options. One is account, cards, and another one is deposit. So select cards option over here, and by default, you will be able to check out your debit card over here. So now currently you can see the status is inactive. So in order to activate this card, you need to generate pin over here. So tap on generate pin and it will take us to the next page. Now on this particular page, we need to create new pin for debit card. Once you enter the pin, again, you have to re-enter the 4-digit pin and then select verify option. So I have entered the new pin 2 times. Let's select verify over here. Now you can see we have got a successful message saying that we have changed your pin successfully. So we have created the debit card pin. Simply select done option, and now you can see the status is active and we are able to check out the balance. Now in some cases, it might ask you to enter the MPIN before completing the verification process. So all you have to do is just enter the MPIN and then you will get a successful message. So that's how simple it is to activate debit card using IDFC Bank application. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.